Hey, welcome back to another product review. Today we're going to be doing LOL Surprise, Present Surprise. So this is kind of what it looks like. It is a surprise doll. I've got my daughter Amelia helping me out today. Go ahead and wave.
Hi.
And then I got my wife over here, Barbie. She's helping me out again today. So I will let them do most of the unboxing. And I'll just kind of hang back. There you go.
So it says to open it from the bottom. It is. And what do we have inside?
We have, I think. I'm sure. What are those? Those are like the codes of what the thing is gonna be.
Oh, so it's a little tip. Sweet makeover.
These
A
are
lollipop and a little
bag of makeup.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. So we will take all this out.
Oh, these are the people we could get.
All right.
Okay.
What's all the people you can get?
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Which one do you hope you're going to get?
Wait, Mom, don't look at anything. Let's see what one. I think we're gonna get her.
Her?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, let's find
wait,
out.
Wait. What one do you think? Oh, wait.
Camera
No,
can't see.
I think we're gonna get her.
That's the one you think you're going to get?
Yeah.
One.
Because it's like.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Okay.
All right.
So these are all the options?
I don't know what this is.
Ooh.
Here she is. But we're gonna wait till last to open her.
Ooh.
Okay, can we open one by one? Can I go first?
Yeah, what are you gonna open? Oh, we got
What'd you get?
floaty.
Cloud floaty.
I think I know
Here.
which one we're gonna get now. Alright.
You go.
Oh, we got an icy.
Mmm. You want a drink?
We have
There you
her clothes, which is matching her.
Oh, yep, I think I know who we have.
Ooh.
Yeah, same.
I'm going to try to look and guess.
Here are her shoes. Don't mind my jagged nails. It's been a minute.
Oh, we have
A little snorkel.
Ooh, a snorkel.
Nice.
Snorkerdoodle.
Can we both open the?
You can open it.
Okay.
Drum roll.
But this one looks oddly familiar.
Drum roll.
Drum roll.
Let us know in the comments what you think it's going to be. And Amelia, what is it? Oh. Put her clothes on. Jeez.
They come naked.
Oh,
Sorry.
man.
All right, let's get her. Wait, actually, I think they normally come with clothes on.
No, they don't.
They don't?
No, they don't.
Oh, so if you don't know, they don't come with clothes, apparently.
I mean, they come with clothes, just not wearing them.
Oh.
You have to put their clothes on them.
Yeah, so much work for what?
It is kind of a struggle. All right. Second here. Okay, now she's decent. Oh. I just throw her anywhere.
Hello. My name is
What is her name?
Floaty, and I like to float.
Her name is Floaty. Alright, let's get her shoes on her.
Her name is actually Floaty. That is a very interesting name.
Oh, look. Maybe that's why she's got these shark books. These shark thingies.
I know, that's why I said that girl instead of the other one. Can I put the rest of this up on her?
Turn it. Turn it. Turn it.
Alright.
Wait, she's not
Oh.
ready yet.
What else is there?
I don't think her floaty fits her. That's it.
No.
She has a floaty in her hand. Oh, okay. She's gonna make the floaty fit.
Wait. It will work.
There's a will, there's a way.
And then she needs
Oh
to
yeah,
get
she's got her soda icy.
icy. Okay, now you can show her. Now show her.
So this is Floaty from. Oops, there we go. Floaty from LOL Surprise. Amelia, what would you rate this?
Okay, hold up a second.
Uh
So if you give her water,
oh.
she'll cry.
Oh.
She'll spit water at you,
Ah.
and she'll pee.
Ew. Okay, now, yeah.
No.
Amelia's got to give her water now.
How?
I don't know.
And apparently, if you put them in ice water,
Wah. If you put them in ice water, what happens?
I'm not really sure.
Something happens if you put her in ice water.
Give me
I'm thirsty.
can do it.
Did you?
I did.
Whatever she was supposed to do, she did apparently. Glug 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 glug.
So she's not ultra rare, but she is rare.
What is
So she
this?
cries.
Let me see.
Rawr, rawr.
You didn't even put water in
Yes, I did.
here. It's okay.
Anyways, that is
Wait, what?
Floaty from
Wait, don't-
LOL. No, we're not done. We're not done.
We're done.
Oh no, we are done.
Alright,
I'm
that's Floaty
confused.
From LOL.
That is Floaty from LOL Surprise
Series 3.
Series 3 Present Surprise. Amelia, what would you rate this LOL and LOLs in general?
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. Amelia used to love LOLs, not so
Not
much.
anymore.
Not as much as she used to. Anyways, that is LOL Surprise, and this was a product review. I will see you again next time.